Hi friends, this is Pankaj here and today we are going to learn how to design a responsive card UI with auto layout and fill container in Figma. Well, this is the responsive card that we have created earlier using auto layout. Let's copy this card text to use in making our new card layout. Now simply select all text and then choose auto layout or use shortcut Shift A. Rename the layer, choose center align from auto layout with fill color white and light color stroke of value 1 pixel. I choose 20 pixel value for rounded corner and then define its width. Select the main frame layer and press enter. All sublayers will be selected. Then go to the properties panel and choose fill container. Here I give a vertical gap between items of 40 pixels. Now take a rectangle tool or press key shortcut R. Make a rectangle inside the main frame. I give it the height of 203 pixels and make it fill container. I rename the layer to image. Click on fill property and tick the image option. Browse the image and keep option fill selected. Choose the 20 pixels value for individual corner radius. Now here the gap between text and frame border is very less. So I made horizontal padding of 50 pixels. Text goes fine but image width reduces. So to fix it, select the main frame, hit enter, press Ctrl key and click on image sublayer. Now we have all text sublayers selected. Press Shift A or choose Auto Layout from Properties panel. I choose horizontal padding to be 50 pixels and vertical gap between text to be 25 pixels. Now we need to decrease the space between these two text sublayers. Use Ctrl Shift key to select them and convert them to auto layout by using Shift A. Now reduce their gap to 15 pixels. Now select this text. Press Shift A to convert it to auto layout. Rename it to button. I give it a vertical padding of 10 pixels and fill it with orange color. Expand the layer and select the text sublayer inside. Change its color to white. Select the button layer and choose the 20 pixels value for corner radius. Copy this text, paste it here and then drag it to the main card frame. Right click on text and convert it into auto layout. Give it a horizontal padding of value 15 pixels and vertical padding to be of value 5 pixels. I fill it with the color white, edit the drop shadow effect in it the 10 pixels value for corner radius. Select it and choose absolute position. Place it properly, and now let's check the card responsiveness. Here is we see a mistake that frame 7 meals doesn't react and move with card layout. Let's first rename it and then resolve it. Go to constraints and select center. Now check it again. See, it works properly now. Let's place some icons at the foot section of this card layout. Well, I use this plugin icon set. Choose the required icons and click on it to bring that in your layout. Here I added some social media icons to my layout. Now we need to resize the icons one by one by using the scale tool or press K to scale. Select all the icons and convert it to auto layout by pressing Shift A. Rename the layer to icons. Here I fill a lighter color and then make a horizontal gap between icons to be auto. Auto layout alignment to be center and vertical padding to be of value 10 pixels. Choose the 20 pixels value for individual corner radius. Hold it and drag it inside the main card frame. Choose Fill Container in Frame property. Select bookmark icon and text and convert them to auto layout. Make alignment center, horizontal gap of 0 pixels and make it fill container. Now select the other 3 icons and convert them also to auto layout. Make it center align. Choose horizontal gap to be of value 10 pixels and make it fill container. Let's rename this layer to text and this to be text inside. Also rename this layer to icons left and this to icons right. Now let's check the responsiveness of the auto layout card. Well, it works fine, but the icon frame, footer, does not work fine. Let's fix it. Select the icon frame from the layers panel and choose the option wrap from the auto layout properties panel. Select icon frame again, press enter. It will activate inside sublayers. Now go to properties panel and choose minimum width to be of value 135 pixels. Select the icon frame again and choose a vertical gap of value 5 pixels. Check responsiveness. Here reselect icon frame and add horizontal padding to be of value 10 pixels. After giving this padding and spacing, footer of this card layout looks better. Now let's check it again. Well, it's working fine and totally responsive now. Well, our card auto layout looks pretty good, but I want to reduce the vertical gap between add to cart button and icons. So to reduce it, we need to make the icon frame separate from other frames. Select the main frame, press enter, it will activate all sub layers. Hold Ctrl key and click on icons layer to deselect it. Now choose auto layout for all other layers. Go to the layers panel and drag the icon layer below frame 91 layer. Select frame 91 layer and choose vertical layout from the auto layout properties panel, reducing vertical gap to 40 pixels. Select card frame layer from the layers panel and choose a vertical gap to be of 30 pixels. Now select our layer 3 meals, choose the absolute position and place it perfectly. From the constraints panel, choose center. Now our card looks pretty good. Let's check the responsiveness of our auto layout card, and yes, it's working fine. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks.